What's up, gang? It's your girl Chei, and I'm here just to show you how you can get the candle out of them jars. That candle at the bottom of them jars, and you may want to keep your candle. So I'm here just to show y'all how y'all can get that out the bottom of y'all candle. First, you want to go with boiling water pot. Mine is already boiled, so this gonna be a quick and fast video. So I'm gonna just show y'all now what you gonna want to do. Get all your candles out that you know what I'm saying, want to get that stuff out the bottom. Now watch how this water pollute that shit to the top. Just watch what it do. Just watch. Don't fill it to the top because remember y'all gotta take that wax out. So just kind of half fill it. See how that candle is going to the top, y'all? Y'all see that shit? See, it's all just forming to the top. And make sure it's hot boiling water, y'all. And you just let it sit till it all comes to the top. Then you can clean out your jar and do what you want to do with it. And that's it. That's my time. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up.